car coming up in this steep part of the Route 52 Causeway. Hopefully, make it down the other side without slipping and sliding. I see some tracks here where somebody's been grinding away. And we'll see how it goes going down the other side. Can hardly see the city. Little brake action. Nothing slipping. Can't beat these 4Runners, I'll tell you right now. Here we go. It's a little tense. I see a lot of skid marks here. Luckily not much on the railing. We'll stay in the snow. That'll help with some traction. And I think we're home free.